In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint a gradient in watercolors going from dark to light. A gradient is a gradual transition from one color to another. To start, you're going to paint a rectangle of water. It should be pretty long. Don't be afraid to use a lot of water. With watercolors, it's hard to use too much water, but easy to use too little. You want your water rectangle to continue about 2/3 of the way across the page. Once you've painted your water rectangle, you're going to select a color, get lots of paint onto your brush. Then you'll start off to one side of your rectangle and start painting in that color. You're just going to keep working your way down the rectangle. Since there's already water on our paper, the paint will naturally fade out as we move along. When you start to run out of water on your paper, once you get to the 2/3 mark, you're going to wet your brush again, and with just water, continue pulling the paint down the paper. It will gradually fade out until it disappears. If you'd like to make your beginning of your gradient darker, simply get more paint onto your brush and go back to where you started. As you can see, I'm just darkening the end here of my brush, of my rectangle, excuse me. My last step is to rinse my brush again and use some water to help the paint blend. And there you have it, a gradient going from dark to light.